test drive the 2026 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, engine block heater, electronic stability control, brake assist. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.